It looks like Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is running out of options now. Israel's famous Red Sea resort city of Eilat, known for its sunny beaches and luxury hotels, now looks like a war zone than a picnic spot. The reason? Houthi drone attacks, and they just keep on coming. Over the past few weeks, Iran-backed Houthi rebels from Yemen have stepped up their assaults on the southern Israel. Their target this time isn't just military, it's symbolic. The Houthis have launched multiple drones and missiles towards Eilat, Israel's prized tourist city, forcing authorities to do something that no one ever imagined. Build bomb shelters right on the beaches. Yes, you heard that right. Tourists sunbathing one day, taking cover the next. Eilat's seafront, once packed with swimmers, cafes, cruise boats, now has rows of concrete shelters placed just meters away from the shoreline. Now the idea here, it is very simple but very chilling. If sirens goes off, people have mere seconds to run for covers before an attack hits. In the meantime, Israeli Defense Forces say that they have successfully intercepted several incoming drones, including one that was shut down mid-air, and that too over the Red Sea. But officials admit that the threat isn't over yet. The Houthis claim that their strikes are in solidarity with Gaza as Israel continues its military campaign over there. Eilat's residents, on the other hand, described sleepless nights, hearing air raid sirens blaring and watching interceptor missiles streak across the sky. Hotels have been told to prepare evacuation plan, and schools now conduct regular emergency drills. What was once a safe vacation destination has turned into Israel's new front line. Now, for Netanyahu's government, that pressure is mounting. Critics are asking that how a militia 18,000 or 16,000 kilometers away can hit Israeli airspace so frequently. Now, some analysts believe that the Houthis are testing Israel's southern defense systems, while others see this as a part of Iran's larger regional strategy, using its proxies like Houthis, Lebanon, Syria, to keep Israel constantly on the edge. Now, internationally, this whole situation is drawing a lot of attention. The US Navy, which operates near the Red Sea, has also intercepted Houthi drones in recent months, aimed at Israel and Western ships. Now, Washington says that it is working with Israel to improve air defense coordination in that particular region, but experts warn that the Red Sea is fast becoming a new war zone. So here's a bigger picture. While Israel fights in Gaza, a second battlefront may be opening in the south. The Houthis are no longer just a local Yemeni group. They have become a regional player in Iran's network of influence. Now, for the people of Eilat, though it is very personal, their paradise is under threat, their skyline filled with sirens instead of sunsets, and as Israel keeps expanding its bomb shelters, one thing is sure. And as Israel keeps expanding its bomb shelters, one question is lingering. Can Netanyahu really stop the next drone, or has the war already spread too far?